What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We're here on location again at Berge Chevrolet. This time we're inside the cleanup shop. It's freezing outside, so they got me a bay inside we can work in. We got a car here. It's a 2017 Chevy Malibu. It has some pretty good shots on it here. We're gonna clean it up for him. So I don't know if you could see it here on the back door. There's a good little shot there with some paint transfer. Then on the fender here, right on that edge, it's a pretty good dent over that body line. Little chip in the paint. There's another little dent there. So we'll take care of that for him. As we go on the other side, we got this door here. Some good shots there, a little crease, again, paint transfer and scratches, so we'll take care of that. And then this back door here, if you can see that, another shot. And there's some other little things on it, like the trunk has some stuff there. So we'll get started on this. There's another car outside we'll probably bring in after this. Pretty good shot on the fender. Maybe we'll do that as well in this video, but we'll get going, take you through the process as we usually do, and see how it turns out. We're finished up with this one. Everything came out really good on it. The one on the fender took a little time. Had to heat it up and keep working it, tapping it down. Didn't come out perfect, but it came out really good. Again, it's a used car. They just want it looking better for the lot, but you know, I always want to do the best I can with the amount of time we can spend on it. So as you can see, we'll go through it. It's kind of hard to see now, but you can see the door came out there. Fender, we'll take you through it there. Again, that came out pretty good. Little one up here somewhere, and then that one on the crease. So that came out nice. We'll walk over to the front door here. So that came out good there too. You can see in here they already have like a factory hole for the handle there, so we just went right through there for that. The other ones we went down through the window. So that one came out. So the two back doors, we went down through the window. Front door went in that little hole, and then the fender, you can see there's a room in there that we were able to sneak in. So Again, another one down. Hopefully you liked the video. Maybe we'll do another video on the other one. It's a little bigger of a dent, so we might walk through that a little differently. But so hopefully you liked the video. We'll catch you on the next one, and see you then.